We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a detailed look at the Moonlamp Galaxy Lamp, a 6-inch 16-color LED nightlight that has captured the imagination of many users. Whether you're looking for a unique decorative piece, a functional nightlight, or a thoughtful gift, this Moonlamp offers something for everyone. Let's dive into what people love about this product and some of the areas where it could improve. And if you already own this lamp, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Moonlamp Galaxy Lamp features advanced 3D printing technology that creates a stunning galaxy effect when lit up. This design gives the lamp a mesmerizing appearance, making it feel as though you're holding a miniature version of the cosmos in your hands. Many users have praised its aesthetic appeal, noting that it adds ambiance to any room and serves as an excellent conversation starter. The lamp is equipped with 16 selectable colors and adjustable brightness levels, allowing users to customize their experience to suit their mood or setting. You can control these features either with the included remote or by touching the base of the lamp. The ability to switch colors and brightness has been particularly popular among parents, as children enjoy experimenting with the settings and watching the colors change. The lamp also includes a timer function, which is ideal for bedtime routines. One standout feature is its rechargeable battery, which makes it portable and easy to use anywhere in your home. Users appreciate that it can be placed on a wooden base or carried around without worrying about cords or plugs. However, some reviewers have noted that the battery life could be better. In certain cases, the lamp only lasts about an hour before needing a recharge. This has been a point of frustration for those who were hoping for longer usage times without constant recharging. Another common issue is related to the remote control. While most users find it convenient and easy to use, there have been reports of remotes malfunctioning after a short period. Some customers have tried replacing batteries or troubleshooting with no success, leading them to contact customer service for replacements. While the seller has been responsive in some cases, others have reported difficulty in resolving their issues or locating correspondence with the company. Despite these drawbacks, many users have found creative ways to enjoy their moon lamps. Parents often mention how much their children love playing with the lamp, using it not just as a nightlight, but also as part of imaginative games. The soft colors and moderate brightness make it suitable for kids' bedrooms, providing enough light for comfort without being overly harsh on the eyes. Adults also appreciate its versatility as a decorative piece. It's been described as perfect for setting a romantic mood or adding warmth to living spaces during evening hours. Some users even keep their lamps plugged in continuously to avoid battery-related inconveniences, although this limits its portability. As far as durability goes, the Moonlamp Galaxy Lamp has received mixed reviews. While many people find it sturdy and well-made, others have expressed concerns about its fragility when handled roughly, especially by children during playtime. The wooden base provides stability but doesn't entirely prevent accidental falls or damage if mishandled. In terms of brightness, opinions vary depending on individual preferences and intended use. Some users feel that the lamp isn't bright enough for larger rooms or tasks requiring more illumination, while others appreciate its subtle glow for creating a cozy atmosphere. It's worth noting that this product is designed primarily as an accent light rather than a primary source of lighting, so expectations should be adjusted accordingly. As a gift item, this moon lamp has been highly rated by customers who purchased it for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions like Valentine's Day and Christmas. Its unique design and customizable features make it stand out from traditional gifts, earning praise from recipients of all ages, from young children to adults seeking something different for their homes. However, potential buyers should be aware that quality control issues may arise. Some customers have reported receiving defective units or experiencing problems after the return window closed. While these cases appear to be relatively rare compared to overall positive feedback, they highlight the importance of purchasing from reliable sellers and keeping track of warranty information just in case issues occur later on. Overall impressions suggest that the Moonlamp Galaxy Lamp is an innovative product with widespread appeal despite some shortcomings in performance and reliability. Its combination of aesthetic beauty, functional features like color-changing options and timers, plus portability through rechargeable batteries makes it an attractive choice for many households looking to enhance their decor or provide comforting lighting solutions at nighttime hours. If you're still undecided about whether this lamp is right for you, or if you already own one, we encourage you. Leave review below, share insights, help others choose wisely. Link product description support channel.